Hi, this is Yujan. In this weekly checking video, I'm going to talk about the asymptotic notations. To analyze the complexity of an algorithm, we normally use cost function to consider all possible inputs without considering hardware or software factors. But cost function could sometimes get things very complicated because of the heavy mathematical expressions. There are basically two ways that we could simplify the way we analyze the complexity of an algorithm. One is to bound the cost function by simpler functions. The first type of bound is big O, which describes the upper bound of the complexity. Big O measures the longest amount of time it could possibly take for an algorithm to complete, so it gives the worst-case complexity of an algorithm. Big omega describes the lower bound of the complexity. It indicates the minimum time required for an algorithm for taking all inputs values. So it provides the best case complexity of an algorithm. And the last bound is big theta, which describes the exact bound of the complexity. Since big theta represents the upper bound and the lower bound, at the same time, it is used for analyzing the average case complexity of an algorithm. The second way that we could simplify things to analyze time complexity is to use tilde notation. We can think of tilde notation as simply throwing away those negligible terms. Tilde notation is simultaneously an upper bound and a lower bound. It is similar to big theta, but the definition of tilde notation is much more demanding. Thank you.